Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can add Gmail account to your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, write your comments under the video, and be sure to put your likes. And let's get to our topic. And I'm going to show you today 2 methods on how you can add a Gmail account and choose the one that's more convenient for you. Now for the first one, you're gonna have to go into your iPhone settings. Scroll down and until you find your email, go to it. Next is Accounts. And if you don't have Gmail here yet, then you'll need to click Add Account. Select Google. And then you need to enter your email or your phone number. Click Next and enter your password for your Gmail account. If you have, say, two-factor authentication or Face ID, or something else, then you'll need, of course, to confirm your identity, and then you'll be immediately logged into your Gmail account. I also recommend that you don't forget when the account is already added to go to Gmail from this page, and make sure you have this button next to your email. That was the first option. And the second option is to go directly to Gmail itself. Then click on the image at the top. Add a new account. Also Google. Continue. And it's the same thing. You enter your phone number or your email, and then you click Next. And enter the password for the email account you want to sign into. Then you confirm your identity, and this way, you will immediately add another Gmail account. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. You were able to see how you can add a Gmail account to your iPhone. Please, friends, be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.